Most people have seen this video of the man beating him out with the machete by now, and funny enough, multiple people told me about it in my life, but I didn't see it until recently. Last night or this morning when I said recently. But before I can ensure that you like, follow, and share, go to the link in my bio and follow my other pages, alright? This man has been allegedly identified as Cleon Buckley of Trelawney. He's a taxi operator at that. And funny enough, and not very funny, but funny enough, he also had warrants out for his arrest in the past because of him allegedly tampering with a minor. So not only is he a woman beater, out here beating the people them daughter with machete, he's also a PDF. Right? He didn't stop beating this woman with his machete. All the woman are run from him beat the woman with the machete. Can you imagine being beaten by a machete? Two men were there trying to stop, but to no avail. I may understand them being apprehensive because nobody want to get chopped. He didn't stop beating him with the machete. The woman run and jump. And I man have to turn up in between him and the woman. And so he end up stop beat her. Yo. Brother, I'm sick and tired of them shit, yeah. But again, these are just my thoughts. I can just share my thoughts and my disgruntlement of this whole thing. I hope he does not get released. Oftentimes, you know, them get locked up for them thing and then come out in a 2-2s and them do the same thing again. Then cycle repeat until them eventually take somebody's life. But these are just my thoughts, so that you ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment.